Hey everyone, today we're exploring two professional-grade differential pressure switches by S+S Regal Technic, the Primasreg DS1 and DS2, essential components in ventilation, air handling, and HVAC systems. Currently, we only have the DS2 available for unboxing, but don't worry, we'll walk through the key features, technical specs, application areas, and a detailed comparison with the DS1, so you get the full picture. Let's begin with the unboxing of Primasreg DS2 by S+S Regal Technic. In the box, you get the DS2 pressure switch unit, a DSMRK plastic mounting base ring, and ASD06 connection kit, which further includes 2 meters of pressure hose, 2 pressure nipples, screws for mounting. The DS2 has a robust build with a transparent snap-on cover, a 6mm nozzle connection, and well-protected terminals for easy wiring. Both DS1 and DS2 share several core specifications, making them highly versatile for industrial and HVAC use. Some common specifications are 1. Switching capacity, which is around 5 into 0.8 A at 250 volts AC and 4 into 0.7 A at 30 volts DC. 2. Contact type will be SPDT, single pole, double throw, potential-free, gold-plated contacts. 3. Membrane material is LSR, liquid silicone rubber, resistant up to plus 200 degrees Celsius. 4. Temperature range of both DS1 and DS2 is minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. 5. Both DS1 and DS2 comes with protection of Class 2 according to EN 60730 and has IP54 protection type with closed LED according to EN 60529. 6. Housing material for both is polycarbonate, light gray, RAL 7035. 7. Pressure connection both has 6mm hose-compatible nozzle. Now, where exactly do these switches shine? Let's talk real-world applications, area by area, industry by industry. 1. In HVAC and building automation, the switches can be used to monitor clogged filters in large air handling units, ensure airflow before electric heaters activate, detect pressure drops across fans or ducts, trigger alarms if belt-driven fans malfunction. 2. In pharmaceutical and cleanroom industries, the switches can be used to maintain differential pressure between sterile and general zones, used in AHUs, isolators, and laminar airflow systems. 3. In food and beverage manufacturing, the switches can be used to monitor airflow and ventilation of food processing zones, ensure safety in hot air ovens, dryers, or chillers. 5. In commercial buildings and data centers, this differential pressure switch may be used to optimize air distribution in large commercial HVAC, protect hardware by controlling airflow to server racks or labs. 6. Automotive and paint booths may use the switches to maintain exact pressure levels for paint application areas. Let's now talk about the key differences between the Primasreg DS1 and DS2, and which model is better suited for your specific setup. Both models are functionally identical in terms of performance, switching capacity, temperature range, and pressure monitoring. However, their mounting systems and mechanical design set them apart in terms of application. The DS1 comes with a metal wall bracket, known as the DSMWZ, which makes it ideal for installation on rigid or metallic surfaces, for example, inside metal control panels, heavy-duty HVAC casings, or on structural walls in industrial environments. The metal base offers greater durability and a secure, fixed position, especially when frequent maintenance or long-term vibration is a concern. On the other hand, the DS2 is shipped with a plastic base ring, the DSMRK, which makes it lighter and more suitable for duct mounting or installations on non-metallic surfaces, such as plastic AHU walls, lightweight enclosures, or modular ventilation panels. The plastic mounting design ensures easy handling and quick surface mounting, without requiring heavy-duty tools. In terms of included accessories, the DS1 usually ships with the metal bracket and the pressure connection kit, while the DS2 includes both the plastic ring and the ASD06 flexible connection kit, giving you everything you need for a duct-based installation out of the box. So the final decision depends on your use case. If you're working with rigid industrial structures or metallic surfaces, go for DS1. If you're installing in ducts or modular HVAC units, the DS2 is the smarter, quicker to mount option. In summary, whether you're optimizing HVAC systems, protecting pharmaceutical zones, or automating your food production, Primasreg DS1 and DS2 by S+S Regal Technic give you reliable pressure monitoring every time. If this video helped you understand these switches better, leave a like, subscribe for more industrial insights, and visit our website www.radicaltechmart.com for expert assistance and purchases. Thank you for watching.